Ooh, mommy's got steak. Steaky, steaky, yummy, yummy. Looky, looky, where's the steak? Oh, there it's in there. Whoa. Where's Cubby? Where's Cubby? There she is. Where's Cubby? Oh, excited girls. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
Come on, baby. I know.
Oh.
I know. I got it. Honey. Scary.
Oh. Cubby's the big eater in the family now. And sounds like Mom's taking a pee break.
Filling up the water bowl with the frozen water.
Yeah, it's getting a little cold in there, isn't it? There's Savannah! There's Keys! She's a big girl! There's your big girl! Eating your big steak pieces. Oh, yeah! Don't go after cubbies, though.
No,
Don't go after cubbies. No, no, no. Mom overfeeds them. Ooh, Cubby eat all her steak. She got the last bit. There's a little bit in there. She gonna get it? Yes, of course she does. Yay. Oh. And there's Savannah. Wow. Savannah. Wow, wow, wow. Good girl. Good girls. All right, night-night, girls.